So we're approaching our last days in Luce, and there's so much more of this beautiful town that we didn't show in our other Luce video. So we're just gonna go around and show more of the details of this beautiful, beautiful little village. And yeah, let's go.
Dance to the beat, light in our hearts, and I cannot see what's ahead from the start. But there's something about it. So I try to be light in the dark, so you can have all the stars, have all the stars. Cause there's something about them. Cause darling, it's you, it's just you I've been dreaming of. And darling, it's you, it's just you I've been dreaming of. At the magic you are, time was fleeting, our hearts beating. You turn back the clocks and restart, so I will take your hand and move with you real slow. And we dance for the feeling. We dance till we fall in love.
You look really good. Stay there.
Yeah, of course I do.
This is my favorite little spot in town. It's so beautiful. The river right under the bridge. It's like so picturesque and pretty. It's perfect to sit with like a book and read or just hang out. I love it.
We dance till the morning comes. Ooh. Don't you tiptoe away from bed. Stay a while in my dreams. That look in your eyes, you know there's nothing like it.
So everywhere in town, you look behind you, you're surrounded by mountains wherever you look. It's so gorgeous behind all the buildings and the waterfalls and the clear blue river. And there's always the omnipresent mountains. I think the Alps? I don't know, but they're beautiful. Our friend Sarah talked about how this town harvests sticks, and I think she's right. Stick harvest is coming in good this year.
You know there's nothing like it. 'Cause darling, it's
I love the hearts and stars on that building. It's so pretty.
you, it's just you I've been dreaming of. And darling, it's you, it's just you I've been dreaming of. Looking back at the magic you are, time was fleeting, our hearts beating. Can turn back the clocks and restart, so I will take your hand and move with you real slow. And we dance for the feeling. We dance till we fall in love. We dance till we feel it. We dance till the morning comes.
t-shirt down by my feet. Stood on crowded bathroom rug. Voices filled the rooms upstairs. Our Ford was warm before we drove. Breakfast fresh on the stove. She walked out with the floral blouse. Back then, everyone was near.
Not too bad.
No?
No, I don't know why I'm okay with it.
Because you're braced for it.
Is it? What?
You said it's not so bad.
It's very strong though. Oh my god.
Yeah. Do not lose the GoPro.
Woke up from an old alarm. Bones could barely roll from bed. Stood on the empty bathroom rug, walking around with one eye closed. Glass of 6
Nice full of that.
lukewarm coffee for the road. My car was cold till 59.
Oh, I look like a mermaid.
Now I'm alone.
Yeah, with your bare hand.
You should like. Good job, boy.
We'll be home
Whenever I'm in cold water at home,
again.
I get out, it gets worse.
Oh,
Yeah, it's completely opposite.
Hey, you don't ever swim in cold water without sauna.
Besides sauna.
We'll be home again. Hold on, we'll be home again. We'll be home again. Hold on, we'll be home again. Hold on, we'll be home again. Hold on, we'll be home again.
Is that a bow?
Look at here.
Don't look so crooked. What the heck?
Yeah, where's my stand?
Go like from knees. Go down.
Yeah, go down with your knees, but keep your head is so.
Yeah, but then I look really
No, no back.
We just wanted to give a huge thank you and shout out to John from Ride Slovenia. When we were in Buche, we did Workaway, which means we do a little bit of volunteering, and John gives us a place to live and some food to eat. He had his family visit there, and they were so welcoming, including Diana, Sarah, Bailey, and Vlado. They were all so welcoming and really made our experience a really good one.
Buche and Slovenia was the first leg of our journey, traveling for 6 months, and this was like the perfect way to start it. It was awesome. Everyone was like a little family, so really appreciate it, and want to say a huge thank you to everyone.